Hello mga friends! Gagawa tayo ngayon ng advertisement from scratch. Yung mga wala pang audience, this is how we are going to do it. Punta tayo sa ad account or sa business manager. And then, pupunta tayo sa ads manager. Well, actually, I made this video particularly to address Sister Melanie's concern. Okay, so we're gonna go to create ad. Pangalanan natin ang first ad para madali lang makita. And then, syempre, kung may website ka, you can you can pick traffic or you can choose conversion and a lot more others that is appropriate for a website optimization. Kung wala naman, you can just choose brand awareness o kaya po post engagement or page likes. Kung video naman yung creatives mo, pwede mo rin piliin yung video. Ngayon, kung wala ka pang website at wala kang opt-in page, pwede ka nang maggawa ng lead ad from Facebook itself. Meron po kasi sila ditong built-in lead generation template. Okay? So for now, kunyari piliin natin page likes because you can just do and tweak or you can just play along later on and explore everything here. You can just play. You can just play with it pag kayo na po yung gagawa ng ads nyo. Okay? So, ganito. Now, page likes yung pinili ko and then kailangan pili tayo ng uh, Facebook page. You cannot create an ad for a Facebook group and you cannot also create an ad for your from your personal profile. It should be on a business page or Facebook page. And then we will create a new ad. So create a new ad and papangalanan din natin siyang first ad. And then save to draft. Pagdating dyan, pupunta tayo dito sa untitled ad set. And then, papangalanan uli natin siya ng first ad. Kailangan pare-pareho sila. Para kung marami ka ng ads, alam mo kung ano yung ad na yon. And then, let's say for example, ang budget mo is 100 pesos. Pwede naman yan eh. O, pwede pa nga po ang 50 pesos. So, ayan, may budget na tayo. You can create a duration o pwede rin pong continuous. Pagdating po dun sa start and end date, pwede kayong pumili ng date and time kung anong gusto nyong oras. At pwede, sa madaling salita, pwede kayong gumawa ng schedule or just start it up and run it continuously para na-check mo siya. Kasi pag pangit ang performance, pwede mo siyang i-end agad. Pag maganda naman yung performance, pwede mo siyang i-scale up at pagpatuloy mo lang yung pag-run ng ad na yon kung maganda yung performance niya. So, nakagawa na tayo. Diyan, I will just keep it going. And then, dahil wala tayo pang audience, wala pa tayong saved audience, gagawa tayo ng bago. So, pupunta tayo dito sa Create New. So, gagawa tayo ng custom audience. Hindi ka pa makakagawa ng lookalike audience kasi wala ka pang ang audience. So, we're gonna click custom audience. So, over here, the best custom audience that you can get from is from people that will engage in your Facebook page. Kaya, yun yung pinili ko. So, gawin natin yung mag-engage doon sa Facebook page natin. So, everyone who engaged with your page for the past 365 days but perhaps 180 is pwede na. Okay. Now, papangalanan mo yung audience na yon. Ask Jingo Page. So, create audience. Okay? Create audience na tayo. And then, just click done. After that, pupunta naman po tayo dito sa location. So, perhaps you can target the entire Philippines. Pwede rin naman po yung particular area lang. Let's say, for example, Marikina lang, or Cubao, or Quezon City, or anywhere. Pwede po. Pwede ng barangay lang eh. And then, after that, pupunta naman tayo sa age bracket. You can choose any as long as you think it's appropriate for the kind of niche or for the product that you are trying to advertise. And in this case, we are trying to advertise for blogging. So, siguro 18 and so on and so forth is okay. Literally like everyone. And then all, skip na natin yung language kasi universal naman ang ginagamit natin na English. And if you are targeting the entire Philippines, pwede ka managalog sa ad copy mo. Now, this is where the magic begins. Dito mo matatarget yung specific people na gusto mo talagang makakita ng ads mo. And since this is for blogging, hahanap tayo ng mga tao na interesado sa blogging. So, ayan. Pwede mong i-click yung blog and there are 284,158,370 people na po pwedeng makakita ng ad mo. Okay? So, kung mag-isa mo lang yan tatargetin, these people could see or might be able to see your ads. Depende rin po yan sa budget natin. Kasi yung budget natin ay appropriation sa size na carry ng budget na yun. Kung halimbawa 200 pesos, well, depende kung magkano yung CPM, 1,000 beses siyang makikita ng 1,000 tao or 1,000 beses siyang makikita ng pare-parehong tao. Kasi depende yan, kung maliit yung audience size mo, paulit-ulit nila yan makikita. Kung malaki yung audience size mo, makikita yan nung 1,000, yung the rest hindi na. Okay? So, ganun yun. Now, it depends also kung alin dito, yung, kung may specific target ka, kung fashion blogger, gusto mo i-target, video blogger, o travel blogger, pwede mo yan mapili through this portion dito sa detailed targeting. Ganun po yan. Okay, so let's try click blog. And then kung nasa travel blogging ka, pwede mo rin hanapin kung lilitaw siya. Travel blog and travel blogger. Tingnan natin. Okay, meron din. So, click natin yan. And then, let's say, travel lang. So, meron din po. Pwede siguro to, travel, or eto. So, anything na may connection sa product or niche mo para sila lang ang makakakita nito. But then, sometimes, gusto mo sila lang isa-isahin para alam mo alin sa kanila, sa interest na yan, ang very hyper-targeted. Yung alin dyan ang magre-respond ng maganda. At ano, sa mga yan, ang magkakaroon ng magandang performance pag niran mo na yung ad mo. So, let's say for example, nakapili na tayo, no? Punta naman po tayo dito sa Facebook page. Facebook pages. People who like your page, friends of people who like your page, or exclude people who like your page. Ang gagawin natin, exclude natin yung mga tao na nag-like na ng page natin kasi naka-like na sila eh. Hindi na natin sila tatargetin. So the best way is click friends of people who like your page. Okay? So, yan, piliin natin. And then, that's the page. So, isa-save natin yung audience na yan. So, may audience na tayo. Ang Ask Jingo. Save. So, may audience na tayo. Gagawin naman natin ngayon yung ating creatives. Okay, punta tayo dito sa first ad. And then, gagawa na tayo ng creative. So, hanap tayo ng image na pwede nating magamit. And remember, kailangan 20% lang po ng area ang mako-cover ng text or wala kahit anong text. I really don't know, but according to Facebook, kapag maraming text, hindi maganda ang performance. Kasi the truth is, so kailangan for yung iyong creative is very striking that will spark curiosity para biglang tumigil yung tao. That's the only purpose of your creative. Yung mag-grab mo yung attention nila para tumigil sila and then i-check nila. Maging curious sila para i-check nila yung ad copy mo. And it's in the ad copy that you are going to explain everything. And also, pag clinic nila yon, of course, dapat yung headline mo is striking also and also sparks curiosity. Kasi may stages yan eh. So pag nag-grab na yung attention ng image, yung yung headline naman mag-spark ng curiosity, and then if a person finds it really interesting, they're gonna go and click onto your ad copy and read it. So there is where you need to do all the persuasion in the ad copy. Okay, so hahanap tayo ngayon ng image na sa palagay natin ay medyo attractive and medyo striking. So this is about blogging. But then, most of my creatives here are for Facebook ads. Pero tingin tayo ng iba. This is only an example anyway. Alright. So, mukhang eto pwede. Kunyari vlogging. But then, you have to change the caption here kasi it's not really related to blogging. Pero, mukhang pang-blogging naman yung ating image. So, papalitan natin yung, dapat palitan nyo yung caption. Pero, if you can notice, napaka-ikli, napaka-konti po ng text sa creative na yan. So, let's just take it for an example, okay? Now, meron na tayong creatives. And then, papalitan natin ito kasi kailangan natin ng magandang headline. Are you wondering how bloggers do their stuff? Parang ganun lang. Kunyari lang naman. Pwedeng mahaba po to ha. Okay lang na mahaba siya kasi this is actually the ad copy na. So, there's no problem kahit habaan mo. Basta be careful na yung mga words na ginagamit mo ay walang i-violate. Ayaw ni Facebook ng negative, ayaw niya ng violence, ayaw niya ng dinidescribe mo yung audience or ayaw niya ng racist, ayaw niya yung mga ganyan. Basta negative, wag mong lalagay. So, let's say for example, sa next line, lagay natin na magkukwento, halimbawa, or ipapakita mo anong magiging benefit pag clinic nila tong ad mo. So, let's say, for example, I have a free ebook to serve as your guide. The ebook is, the ebook contains everything that you need to jumpstart blogging career or something like that. No, tama na yan. Just in case, pwede naman kayong magdagdag na. So, kung wala kayong website, hindi nyo ito pwedeng gamitin. Pero kung meron kayong website, pwede rin na yan. And you have to create your Facebook pixel for that website. So, let's say for example, kunyari wala tayong website, no? Ito lang. Kasi ang pinopromote naman natin ay yung Facebook page. So, that's it. And then, hit publish. Okay? I-hit ko lang siya para makita nyo ano yung magiging result after nito. I-off ko na lang siya. Okay. So, one campaign, one ad set, and one ad. Now, i-close ko to kasi hindi ko naman siya i-run. And then, tingnan natin dito. So, we can see. Okay, ito na yun. Ito na yung ating, oops, kailangan ko din itong i-off dahil di ko naman yan i-run. Andito na siya. And then, hihintay na lang po ninyo padalhan kayo ng notification if it's approved or not. Okay, so that's how you create your first ad. And if you have any questions, just post your question through the comment section and I will try my best to answer them. So that's all for now. Thank you everyone and I hope you learned something new again today.